Welcome back, friends. So we have the US futures, stock futures higher on Tuesday morning as investors parse the week's first batch of key inflation data and look at new earnings results. The S&P 500 futures and the Nasdaq futures have risen 0.6% and 0.9% respectively, whereas the Dow Jones Industrial Average futures have added 129 points or 0.3% at the time of recording this particular video. Now, friends, the Producer Price Index or PPI, which is a measure of wholesale prices, has increased 0.1% last month. That is the month of July. Now, economists expected the reading to show a monthly gain of 0.2% in line with the previous month's reading, according to Dow Jones consensus estimates. The CPI index that's expected tomorrow, that is Wednesday, is anticipated to show an increase of 0.2% last month, up from a 0.1% decline in the prior month. The data could give an uncertain market some direction after last week's wild moves. We had last week the Dow, S&P, Nasdaq falling sharply in the early part of the week, only to recover its losses in the middle of the week. Friends, the wholesale price index, the producer price index, has come in a little tamer than anticipated. But I believe that's not all that the US Fed takes into cognizance when it decides on the interest rates. And particularly, we'll be looking at a September 18 meeting of the decision of the US Federal Reserve. Well, there's a lot of more data. The jobs data for the month of August, it is expected in the first week of September. But yet, nevertheless, the producer price index itself will not move the needle as far as the US Fed is concerned. The Dow, S&P, Nasdaq futures sharply higher at this point of time. But I believe that as we go further into the session, some of those gains may get tamed or may get reduced as we go further in the session, particularly say post to 2:30. But anyway, nevertheless, as we go forward, we may see some amount of fall in the market, and these the gains that are indicative by the futures may not sustain. To get to know more where the markets are headed this week and beyond, and in the run-up to the US Federal Reserve meeting and a decision on September 18, do join our Prime or Prime Plus Telegram groups. You can do that by WhatsApping us on 982-086-1044. Alternatively, you can also email us at globalmoneyinvestor@gmail.com. It is globalmoneyinvestor@gmail.com. Have a great investing day ahead, guys. Take care. Bye.